Addition of negative integers using number line. Example, evaluate the following using a number line. A. -2 plus -3. B. -10 plus -2. Solution. So the first expression, we have -2, which shows that this integer is a negative integer. And then we are adding it to -3, another negative integer. Now you draw your number line and indicate the integers appropriately. Always do this at regular interval. That is 0. To the right, we have the positive integers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to the left, we have our negative integers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Whenever you are going in minus, you're performing minus, we always go to the left. Unlike when you are doing addition and then you go to the right. So the first thing in this expression is -2, which means from 0, you will take 2 steps to the left to indicate -2. So from 0, count 2 steps. 1, 2. This shows -2. Now from where we have stopped, where do we go? We add -2. So what we are adding is a negative integer, which implies we continue to the left. And this time we go in 3 steps. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. This indicates -3. Where we end up here shows the answer to the expression. That is -2 plus -3 equals -5. Good. B. -10 plus -2. To perform this, we also draw our number line. And then from 0 to the right, we move in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to the left, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Now, the first expression says we move 10 steps to the left to perform -10. So from 0, count 10 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps to the left for -10. That is -10. Then we add -2. And because it is a minus sign, we still continue to the left in 2 steps. So from where we have stopped, move 2 steps further to the left. 1, 2. This indicates -2. This shows that where we have ended up here is our answer. That is -10 plus -2 gives us -12. Thank you.